So first of all, I will heat the oil. This is pure mustard oil. Okay, then let me heat it, because if you don't heat it properly, the smell won't be good. And we have the chicken here. Okay, I have added a little salt and pure organic turmeric powder. I usually add turmeric powder and salt and a little cut so that the spices gets absorbed properly. You can also add lemon juice, a bit of lemon juice. So mix it properly. This is boneless chicken. So yeah, let the turmeric and salt get into every piece. So I will get a little cut. We have cut here. Mix again. Mix it properly. If you can do this before half an hour and cover it with something, it would be really good and it will get marinated properly. But I just brought the chicken from the market moment ago, so I could not keep it for long. And we have tomatoes, onion, and some cardamom, small cardamom, green cardamom, and cinnamon. The oil is getting heated. You have to heat it properly. And ginger and garlic paste. Okay, it's properly heated now, so I will add onion, and I'll be adding bay leaves, 3 bay leaves. You have to let the onion get golden brown. You have to fry it for some time. Next, I will add ginger and garlic paste. We have ginger and garlic here, so let me add ginger and garlic paste there and give it a fry until it's brown. Now add cardamom and cinnamon. Now see the color of the onion. Now I will add tomatoes and I will cover this for some time so that tomatoes can cook properly. I'll keep it for 1 minute and then again stir for some time and add some spices. Now the tomato is 90% cooked. It's properly cooked. Now I will add a bit of chicken masala. This is chicken masala and jeera powder and a bit of coriander. Now time to add some chicken. I have added all the chicken and I will cover it for some time, and I will take out the lid and then again stir and then again cover it with the lid, and we'll do the process until it's properly cooked. So guys, finally the chicken is ready.